Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Ethernet drivers for your Windows 10 desktop computer or laptops. Now, at first, what you have to do is just right-click on your Start button. From here, go inside Device Manager. From here, make sure go to Network Adapters, just expand this. And as you can see, I have Realtek PCIe GB family controller. So I need the specific drivers for this. If you have a different one, remember the name of that. So I'll just go to Google, and on Google, I'll just type the name Realtek PCIe GB family controller drivers Windows 10. I'm just gonna search for this. And from here, I'll open the second link. And I'll scroll a little bit down. And from here, you need to download your version for Windows. So let me just pick which I want to download. I'm probably just going to download this one. So I'm just going to click on the download, then click on the download file. Then enter the CAPTCHA, whatever you see in the image, just enter it here. There you go, just click on submit. And after you get it correct, it's going to download for you. Just give it some time. And after the download has been completed, just click on open folder. Right click on it, click on extract all, click on extract. And then just install this. Just double click on it and it will install the setup wizard. Click on yes. Then just wait, give it some time. Click on next. Click on install. Then just wait, it's gonna install the network adapter for you. And after it has been done, just click on finish. Then you can minimize all this and go ahead and restart your computer maybe for better performance. And basically that is how to download and install Ethernet drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.